morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 13. So if you guys didn't know, the last video I put Vlogmas day 11 and day 12 together, so it's a very long one. I hope you guys enjoyed. I decided to do that way I am back on track with my postings, and that way I don't get too confused with what day is what. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, I did end up skipping a day because where we're staying at, it's very spotty and the internet connection isn't the best. But anyways, this is the day after Brooke's wedding. Hi! Alexander and Lucine, they went downstairs to get some English breakfast with the others. Oh, they're here already. I ended up staying here because I got tired, but they just knocked. They're back. They actually had like a buffet style.
Oh, okay.
So you could pick things.
Oh.
I got you a
croissant. So nice. Thank you.
Got cereal, milk.
That's cute.
Croissant is very good. Oh.
You like that one?
I liked my English breakfast.
Thank you so much. Lucine is back. Alexander's still down there chit-chatting with people. But we're all packed and ready to go. Checkout time is 10 o'clock, so we have a good 45 minutes still. This place is just so lovely. Like, me and Alexander, we just we all just knocked out, like, slept so good. And it's just, this view is so pretty. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but it's like 10 acres of land here that you can just explore. Let me read about this place just a little bit for you guys. The hall's history. Okay. It was built in 1545. Oh, and hosted royal visits by Queen Elizabeth I. It was remodeled during the 18th century. The magnificent ballroom was added and the deer park landscape was added too. This place became the home of King Louis XVIII and his Queen Mary Josephine Louis of Savoy, I think I'm saying that right, who had fled France in the guillotine to live in grand style with more than 350 courtiers and staff in attendance from 1807 to 1809. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, so like I said, checkout time is at 10, and the plan is just to get to the station, to the nearest station, and then take that train to Heathrow Airport. That's all we're doing for the rest of the day. I just want to make sure we get to the airport on time because we are flying at 6:20 p.m. and you know, we want to make sure we have a good amount of time because we're in Essex County and we're about, I say like an hour and a half to 2-ish hours from Heathrow, around that range. So I want to get there early and go through all that boring airport stuff. But yeah, today's going to be a very chill day. Take you guys along for the day because we're flying out today to our last destination. You guys will see later where we're going. We're at Heathrow now, at Terminal 5, trying to check in for our flight. This is a very pretty Dior Christmas tree. Oh look, what are they doing? What are they doing over there, standing there? It's cute. Okay, we're just sitting here at Terminal 5. We still don't know our gate number yet. Our boarding starts at 5:40, so I think they're gonna show our gate number.
It already says 5:10.
5:10, yeah. So just sitting here.
Yeah, we'll go up through.
Do you want to tell the people about TSA? Let's just say they're really strict on liquids here, and yeah, don't know if I will fly out of here again.
Yeah. Never happened before.
Right. Santa's here at the airport, giving out chocolates. Well, his little elf is giving out chocolates. That's so fun.
y'all. That's our next destination, Roma, Italia. Ah. Yeah, right now we're currently waiting for our next train. It's coming in 20 minutes. It's 10:20 p.m. right now. It's €8 for a one-way ticket to Trastevere, and then from there we have to hop off and get onto another line before we get to our Airbnb. It's so empty. Just late. And it's a weekday. Okay, first up is McDonald's because it's late. So let's try their McDonald's. Alright, waiting for our order.
I didn't eat a real meal today. I just had a bunch of random snacks throughout the day. So I'm super hungry. Yeah, Alexander's been wanting to try McDonald's here for the longest. So we'll see what he gets. But I'm just sitting down first. So after this, we're gonna eat. I'll show you guys what we ordered. I always get the same thing. I always get chicken nuggets and fries. We'll see what they get. Okay, this is what we got. The pistachio McFlurry. We had something similar to this in Serbia. Luce and I got cheese fries, medium fry, large fries, and then 2 Big Macs. What is this?
It's like their pizza pocket.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to try for us, so.
That's what it's called. And then I just got their spicy nuggets. Thank you. Alright. I mean, this is pretty standard, so you guys let me know if you like the Big Mac here. Alright, first dinner in Rome, Mickey D's. How was the Big Mac? Good? You tell me how it is.
It's fine.
It's the same?
Is this, the bun's better? I think meat is better.
Lucinette's going to be the first one to try these little pizza pockets. So how does it look inside?
It's like a hot pocket.
Hot Pockets. Is it good? Any good?
It's not bad. For what, €3?
It's like a donut. Not in a sweet way. It's not a sweet donut.
That's the complete opposite.
It's not a sweet donut. It's the fluffiness. It's actually pretty cool.
Well, you can have that one.
Oh, I will.
100% Italiano. Let's try this together. Me and Lucine.
Chiritos.
They don't use nuts. They use some kind of cracker. It's more light than the one that we had in Serbia. And the cream, it's not as thick.
It's the same.
I give this McFlurry a 6 out of 10. The Serbia one was a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
We have finally made it to our Airbnb. It is a little after midnight, 12:17. Let me give you a little tour of our place. As soon as you walk in, this is what you see. Straight ahead is bathroom number 1. It's interesting, you have to step up. And then to your left, it's a bedroom. Hi. And in this area is the main room, kitchen, eating area, entertainment, living room area. And then straight ahead, you have bathroom number 2, also a step up. Toilet here. We also have a washer unit right here, which is good. We can do laundry. And then this is the second room. I'm trying to figure out where the light is at. Is this where the light is at? Oh, yeah. Here's a bedroom. Here's room number 2. We are in Rome. We're going to be here for 5 nights. This is our first night. Basically, it doesn't really count because we're just here to sleep. So we have 4 whole days here after tonight. Yeah, that is the Airbnb tour. I love that you can leave notes, people leaving notes for their stay. Thank you for your hospitality and the great apartment. Hope to be visiting again soon. These people have nice handwritings. Oh, this was from May 1st, 2022. Probably leave a little nice note when we head out. Alright, time to settle in, unpack whatever needs to be unpacked, shower, and put this video together for you guys. We're here in Roma. So I'm really excited to see what the days have for us. I have a nice itinerary planned and, you know, we'll go from there. But yes, so stay tuned for Italy vlogs, Roma vlogs, and maybe a different city. Who knows? Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.